MaxLiving 30-day health challenge. I'm starting today. When will you start? This is designed just for you. It's all simple things that you do consistently for 30 straight days that are all designed to make you healthier. And it's all based on our 5 essentials to health. You got chiropractic, nutrition, oxygen and exercise, mindset, and minimizing toxins. When you are taking your daily supplements and protein shakes, eating 2 meals based on our advanced plan, half your body weight in ounces of water. So if you weigh 140, 70 ounces of water, pretty simple. 1 45-minute workout, and that's every day, yes. Chiropractic adjustments and home care as prescribed. No alcohol or cheat meals. This is a big one. Easy to slip up on. This is a challenge for a reason. And then we have 10 pages of reading from a personal development book. So we're working on mindset, we're working on nutrition, we're working on all aspects of health with this challenge. Will you join us and commit to a healthier lifestyle for just 30 days? Because when it really comes down to health or really anything, if you do something one time, how big of a difference is it going to make? Say, for example, you go to the gym once. How fit are you going to be after that one time going into the gym? You'll be a tiny bit more fit. Imagine you go to the gym for 30 straight days. Now we're getting somewhere. Imagine you go to the gym for 30 straight years. That's where you see a lot of these athletes. That's what they've been doing. They've been working out consistently for all of this time, whether it be football, golf, baseball, anything. Even international chess champions. They consistently play chess. That's how you get good at anything. You spend time working on it. And if you haven't been putting in the time for your health, maybe you just don't know how. Maybe you don't know what to focus on. Maybe culture is fighting against you. This challenge is for you. Click the link below. We'll put something in there so we can get you that list. We can get you more resources so you can start on your 30-day health challenge right now.